Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an empties video. So if you want to see what I've used and how I like it, then just keep watching. So I have been using some products up for the last couple of months. Some of them might have been longer, but I have been collecting them in this Ulta bag. Let's just go ahead and dive into this and start talking about it. Okay, so first thing, I actually have two of them. They are the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I have used both of these up and need to go get another one. I love this. And I've probably said it a couple of times. It's not necessarily like the formula that I'm obsessed with. I think it's a decent formula, but it's not what I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with the spray. And I actually have another setting spray on my vanity that I really do like, but I'm so accustomed to this continuous mist, I feel like I'm just being drenched, which is funny because before this, that would have been normal. So I really love these, so I definitely need to get another one. Okay, let's keep it with the sprays. So I have MAC Prep and Prime, the Fix Plus spray. I really do like this, but honestly, there's so much more on the market now that's cheaper. I probably wouldn't repurchase this anymore. That's all I have to say about that. Okay, next I have the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I really loved this stuff, and I loved the smell of it. I loved using this beforehand. It helped just hydrate everything, aka hydrating milky mist. I think I would repurchase this. I would repurchase this. I just don't want to go to Target because then I buy more. So I would repurchase this if it was sold somewhere else, like Ulta or something. But my Ulta doesn't, so yes, I would, but probably not going to anytime soon. Let's see. I have the Too Faced Do You. Have I talked about this one already? I feel like I've talked about this already. This is the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. I'm going to talk about it with this as well, the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I loved these products together, hated them apart. So I am not going to buy either one of them because that would be stupid to pay that much money just to combine them. I only did it because I happen to have them both and hated them both, and they work together though. So I don't like this. It's not enough coverage for me, and I just don't like the way it's sat on my face. This is a matte. I'm dry, so it was stupid for me to buy it anyways because it didn't sit right on my face. Should we stay with foundations? This is the Lawless Woke Up Like This foundation. I actually really liked this. I think it just kind of goes back to it's not easy accessible. I like buying makeup in store. I don't really like purchasing online if I don't have to. I am in it's the capital of the state, but it's still like middle of nowhere compared to other big cities. So my stores don't really carry a lot, and this is one thing they definitely don't carry. It's only online. And so because of that, I probably won't buy it again, even though I really did like it. I'll probably buy it again if I have a purchase online, but it's rare that I'm going to. So yes and no. I got a lot of yes and no's. Alright, one more foundation. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in shade F1. I literally used it all the way up. Actually, I would repurchase this, and I did repurchase this. This is my current one, which is almost gone as well. I like this. I'm not obsessed with this foundation, but I really do like it for days that I don't have a lot of time and I just want to slap on something to cover my redness. And this does build pretty decently. It is what I have on today, and this is, it's been on for 12 hours. So it's faded a lot, and so it's kind of like, it's not something if I really wanted it to last all day. It's not necessarily one I would go for, but for a typical work day where I really don't care that much if something comes off like my chin or something, I really like this just for getting out the door and putting something on fast. So I would repurchase this, and I did repurchase this. Okay, concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I actually did repurchase this, and I noticed when I repurchased it that the packaging is different. This is now a frosted glass instead of this clear glass. I do really like this concealer. Once again, I'm not obsessed with it. I haven't really found a concealer that I'm obsessed with though, but for $5 it is definitely worth it. So I did buy it again, and I'll probably continue to buy it. It just sucks because there's not a lot of product, I feel like, so it goes really quickly. Alright, let's move on. This is mascara. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. I have heard a lot of people saying they love this. I hate it. That's wrong. I don't hate it. I just don't love it. So it's not bad of a product when you first buy it. But for me, this dried out super quick. I mean, so quick. Even though it was cheap, it was almost not worth it. So because of that, I won't repurchase this. I mean, if you're balling on a budget though, it's still a good option. But at the same time, is it worth it? Because mine dried up extremely fast, so I won't buy it again. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in Fair. It's the loose powder. I love this stuff. I will definitely repurchase it. I actually have another one on my vanity that just pretty much ran out the other day, so I need to repurchase. This stuff, I just love it. It's not, oh my gosh, best powder in the world. But it's not bad either, and for being drugstore and affordable, I love this stuff. I'm that person, I can't justify spending a lot of money on setting powder. I don't know why, but that's just one of the areas in makeup that I can't justify spending a lot of money. So I love this. So let's go to primers. This is a Smashbox Primerizer. I love this stuff. I haven't bought it in a while because I think it's like $39 or $42, and so it's just so expensive, but it is really good. So I haven't bought this in a while because I've been trying to do other ones. I need really hydrating. I actually have Smashbox's oil that I'm using right now. Can't decide if I like it or not though. But this is really good. Eventually I definitely will repurchase this. Just at the moment I'm trying other ones, so I won't, but I still really like this. It's satisfying. Two more things. We got this. I'm trying to beat my camera when it turns off. It turns off at like 12 minutes. So next is this. I actually obviously repurchased it. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. I love this stuff. I mean, love this stuff. But I hate how tiny it is. You see this? Like, there's like almost nothing to it. How much is in here? 1 fluid ounce. Okay, well 1 fluid ounce goes really freaking fast. It feels like you're putting water on your face, and I love all of those kind of hydrating water feeling primers and moisturizers. Like, those are my favorite, and that's what this feels like. I love this. I just went cross-eyed, didn't I? It is expensive though. I still can't justify it. I think it's 30 some dollars. I don't know exactly, but oh, it's so fucking expensive. But I love it. All right. Last thing is not makeup related. It is actually a perfume, and this is my favorite perfume. I mean, absolute favorite perfume. I used to be the person that switches between perfumes, and I've kind of stopped and just worn this. This is Carolina Herrera Good Girl. I think she just came out with a Bad Girl, but this is the old one. This is Good Girl. This is the smaller version, so the heel comes off to use the pump, but because I liked it so much, I did invest in the big one. So here's a size comparison. This has lasted me so long. I've had this, I want to say at least 6 months, and it's down here. So you gotta remember though, it goes the whole shoe length, so it's still down here. I think it's like $96 or $100 for this big one. But this one is the smaller version. I don't remember how much it is because it was a long time ago that I bought it. Like I said, the heel comes off to do the spray, and this one, the pump is back here. I just sprayed that in my face. Oops. Oh, it's so powerful. I am absolutely terrible at describing scents, so I'm going to try to find it online and put it somewhere on the screen so you can see what it says the notes are. But I'm absolutely terrible at describing these, so just know I freaking love it. So yeah, that is actually all I have for this video. If you want to continue to see my empties, let me know. I do have more empties, but I am a normal person and throw them away like normal people do. So these are the ones I could remember to set aside. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.